Welcome to the channel. If XArena shows a version error or a compatibility message when you try to launch it on your Infinix phone, don't rush to reset your phone to factory settings. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to fix the XArena error and get the app working again. First, open your phone's settings and go to the Apps section. Find XArena and open the app information. Clear the cache, and if that doesn't help, clear the available app data. After that, restart your smartphone and check XArena again. If the error appeared after updating XOS or installing an APK, you may have an incompatible version of XArena installed. In this case, you need to use a version of the app that is compatible with your specific Infinix model and your current XOS version. Keep in mind that installing a random APK version can cause additional errors, so always check compatibility before installing it if XArena still shows a version error. I'll also show you some additional steps in this video that may help solve the problem. I hope this method helps you get XArena running again without any errors.